The Paleo diet is a modern nutritional approach based on the eating habits of our Paleolithic ancestors. It emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods that mimic the dietary patterns of humans during the Paleolithic era. This period, spanning roughly 2.5 million years, represents a significant portion of human evolution. The Paleo diet prioritizes foods our hunter-gatherer ancestors would have consumed. This includes lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. It excludes grains, legumes, dairy products, refined sugar, and processed foods. These modern additions were not part of our ancestors' diets. The Paleo diet is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle. It encourages a holistic approach to health and well-being. This includes regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and strong social connections. By adopting the principles of the Paleo diet, we can nourish our bodies with the foods they are evolutionarily adapted to thrive on. This can lead to improved health, increased energy levels, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. The Paleo diet is based on the premise that our genes have not evolved significantly since the Paleolithic era. Our bodies are still genetically adapted to thrive on the foods our ancestors consumed. The modern diet is a far cry from the foods humans ate for millennia. Agriculture introduced grains, legumes, and dairy into our diet. This mismatch between our genes and our diet contributes to modern health problems. The Paleo diet seeks to bridge this gap by returning to our evolutionary roots. It focuses on nutrient-dense whole foods that our ancestors relied on for survival. The Paleo diet is about nourishment, not deprivation. Protein played a crucial role in the diets of our Paleolithic ancestors. As hunter-gatherers, they relied heavily on animal-based foods for sustenance. These foods provided the protein necessary for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting various bodily functions. Protein is made up of amino acids, the building blocks of life. Our bodies need a variety of amino acids to function correctly. Animal-based foods are considered complete proteins. They contain all the essential amino acids our bodies need. In the context of the Paleo diet, high-protein animal-based foods are foundational. They provide the necessary building blocks for muscle growth and repair. They also contribute to satiety, helping us feel fuller for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. By prioritizing high-protein animal-based foods, we can honor our evolutionary heritage and provide our bodies with the nutrients they need to thrive. These foods are not just a source of protein, they are a cornerstone of the Paleo lifestyle. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. This is especially important for maintaining muscle mass. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. This process, known as sarcopenia, can lead to weakness, frailty, and increased risk of falls. Consuming adequate protein is crucial for counteracting muscle loss. It provides the amino acids necessary for muscle protein synthesis. This is the process by which our bodies build new muscle tissue. Regular exercise, especially strength training, further stimulates muscle protein synthesis. The Paleo diet's emphasis on high-protein animal-based foods aligns perfectly with the need for muscle maintenance and growth. These foods provide the building blocks for strong, healthy muscles. This is essential for maintaining mobility, strength, and overall physical function. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply looking to maintain your physical health, ensuring adequate protein intake is paramount. The Paleo diet makes this easy and enjoyable by emphasizing delicious and nutritious animal-based protein sources. Section 5. Energy Boost. Sustaining our active lifestyles. Protein plays a vital role in providing sustained energy. Unlike carbohydrates, which provide a quick burst of energy, protein is digested more slowly. This results in a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream, providing a steady stream of energy. This sustained energy release is particularly beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. This is important for preventing energy crashes, reducing cravings, and supporting overall metabolic health. The Paleo diet's focus on high-protein animal-based foods aligns perfectly with the need for sustained energy. By incorporating these foods into our meals and snacks, we can fuel our active lifestyles without experiencing the energy spikes and dips associated with a high-carbohydrate diet. Whether you're tackling a busy workday, hitting the gym, or simply going about your daily routine, protein can help you maintain your energy levels and perform at your best. The paleo diet makes it easy to prioritize protein and experience the benefits of sustained energy. Section 6. Beyond the physical protein's role in mental clarity and mood. Protein's benefits extend beyond physical health, influencing our mental well-being. Protein is involved in producing neurotransmitters, chemical messengers in the brain that affect mood, focus, and cognitive function. For example, the amino acid tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. Tyrosine, another amino acid, is involved in producing dopamine and norepinephrine, neurotransmitters that play a role in motivation, alertness, and concentration. By consuming adequate protein, we provide our bodies with the building blocks for these essential neurotransmitters. This can contribute to improved mood, increased focus, and enhanced cognitive function. The paleo diet's emphasis on high-protein animal-based foods supports mental clarity and emotional well-being. By nourishing our brains with the nutrients they need, we can enhance our overall quality of life. Section 7. Paleo's Bounty, exploring high-protein animal-based foods. The paleo diet offers a diverse selection of high-protein animal-based foods. These nutrient-dense options provide a wide range of essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can ensure you receive a broad spectrum of nutrients. Lean meats such as beef, chicken, turkey, and bison are excellent sources of protein, iron, B vitamins, and zinc. Opt for grass-fed and pasture-raised options whenever possible to maximize nutrient content and support ethical farming practices. Fish and seafood, including salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines, and shellfish, are rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and iodine. These nutrients are essential for heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient-dense protein source, offering a complete protein profile, choline for brain health, lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health, and various vitamins and minerals. Choose pasture-raised eggs whenever possible for optimal nutrient content and ethical considerations. Section 8. Lean meats, from land to table, nourishing our bodies. Lean meats have been a cornerstone of the human diet for millennia. Our Paleolithic ancestors relied heavily on hunting for sustenance. Lean meats provided the protein, iron, B vitamins, and other essential nutrients they needed to thrive. Today, we have access to a wide variety of lean meats, including beef, chicken, turkey, bison, venison, and lamb. These meats are excellent sources of complete protein, providing all the essential amino acids our bodies need. When choosing lean meats, opt for grass-fed and pasture-raised options whenever possible. These animals are raised in more natural environments, resulting in meat that is higher in nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA. Incorporate lean meats into your meals in various ways, such as grilling, roasting, pan-frying, or slow cooking. They can be enjoyed as part of a balanced meal with vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Section 9. Fish and seafood, treasures of the sea rich in protein. Fish and seafood are incredibly nutritious and delicious, packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and iodine. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart and brain health. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3s. Vitamin D is vital for bone health and immune function. Iodine is essential for thyroid hormone production. Incorporate fish and seafood into your diet for numerous health benefits. Section 10. Eggs, versatile and nutrient-dense powerhouses. Eggs are often hailed as nature's perfect food. They are incredibly versatile, affordable, and packed with nutrients. Eggs are a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, essential for brain health. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, protecting against eye diseases. Choose pasture-raised eggs for higher nutrients and humane conditions. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing high-protein animal-based foods for optimal health. In conclusion, high-protein animal-based foods are an integral part of the paleo diet. They provide the essential building blocks for muscle growth and repair, support sustained energy levels, contribute to mental clarity and mood balance, and provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients essential for optimal health. By incorporating lean meats, fish, seafood, and eggs into your diet, You can honor your evolutionary heritage and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. These foods are not only delicious and satisfying, but also support a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and enhance overall well-being. Embrace the power of high-protein animal-based foods and experience the transformative benefits of the paleo lifestyle.